PA systems. When you find the organization that you belong to, you could touch the organization and it will list its PA systems. You will notice on the right hand side that you have speakers that have little X's next to them. Those demonstrate that the device is currently offline. When the device comes online, you will get a notification saying the device is online, and the little speaker will change to be a blue speaker with a little wave next to it. You'll also see to the left of this checkboxes. To select a PA system, check the box. Now the PA system is selected and can be announced to. To make an announcement, on the bottom you will see a little microphone. When you tap the little microphone, it'll bring you to the announcement screen. First, you will be on the record and play screen. You can make a recording by tapping on the record button. Now we are making a recording. Now when you are done making a recording, you could hit the stop button and you will see the recording appear right here. You could listen to your recording by pressing the play button, and once you hit the play button, it will play your recording for you and you can confirm before sending. To send the recording, you could hit the arrow pointing down and that will send the recording to the PA system immediately. Also on this screen, you could schedule this recording by tapping the sheet of paper with the clock next to it. In the schedule screen, you could set the date that you would like the schedule to be played, in which case we'll set it to the 21st of September. Then you could set the time, which we could set to 11 o'clock. Now you have repeat options. We could set no repeat, which means that this recording will only be played once. We could play it hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and even yearly. This recording we're not going to repeat, so we'll set it as no repeat. And then we're going to hit the little check mark up top, and now the recording is scheduled. Next on the feature list is Notify Subscribers. Here you can notify all subscribers or parents who will be also receiving this announcement. You could check that on with the little on-off button up top. Once you check it, it'll ask you what subscriber groups you would like to notify. In our list, we only have one subscriber group, that is all. When selecting OK, it'll also give you the option to turn off playing on PA. This switch will toggle also playing the same announcement on the PA system. So if you want to just notify subscribers and not play on the PA system, untick this box, and then only the subscribers will hear this announcement. In this case, we want both subscribers and the people who are in the room with the PA to hear our announcement. So we'll leave it on. Then we can make our recording as usual and send it. And the subscribers will be notified. If you make a recording in this mode and you do not wish to send it, but to get rid of it, you could easily swipe from right to left and tap the delete button, and this announcement will not be sent to the PA system or appear on your device any longer. The next feature for announcing is live stream. Live stream mode, as the name suggests, will have your voice streaming live to your PA system. To initiate it, simply tap on the microphone and you could speak your announcement and it should be heard also over the PA system. When finished, tap the pause button. Finished completely. In live stream mode, it's important to note that if you are in direct line to the speakers and you do not have proper mic equipment, you may hear your voice and it may create an echo. This may be undesirable for your listeners. The Notify Subscriber button could be found at the top of the screen still, which will also work for live streaming. Subscribers will not hear your announcement live, but will receive it after your announcement is complete. In the next mode, we see PTT, which stands for Push to Talk. When we tap on this mode, we could see a little circle and our Notify Subscribers button. To initiate an announcement, we tap the little circle, and the pulsing circle appears as we are making our announcement to indicate that it is recording our voice. When done, we tap the circle again, and the little countdown appears. Now during this process, we have 3 seconds to cancel the announcement. If we cancel the announcement in the 3 seconds, it won't be played on the PA system. However, if we do not cancel in the 3 seconds, our announcement will be played on the PA system. Push to talk works by recording your voice first and then sending when you tap the button again after a short delay. This is different from live mode, as you will hear your voice immediately in live mode and afterwards after a delay in push to talk mode. So as you speak in push to talk mode, you will not hear your voice until the announcement is completely being made. The last mode is text to speech mode. Text to speech mode will take text that you type and automatically synthesize it into a voice to be played as an announcement. This is a very powerful feature which will also allow for multiple languages. You will notice also the Notify Subscribers is active in this mode as well. So, to begin, we tap on the Enter Text to Send button and we enter our text. Once the text is completely entered, we simply tap on the paper airplane. In this screen, we could easily change our language, the language or the accent the text will be read in, by tapping on the button that says EN, or the language that you currently have selected. Here we can select other languages of the accent that the text to speech will be spoken in. So if you are writing your announcement in Spanish, you will simply tap on the Spanish. Then your announcement will be read out with a Spanish accent. In our example, we are going to use English, so we're going to leave English selected and tap OK. The button to the right of the Languages button is the Translations button. When we tap on this, we could select multiple languages, and these languages will be what our announcement that we are making in English will be also translated to after the English announcement is spoken. For example, if you type in English announcement and you have Spanish spoken, the text-to-speech system will automatically translate to Spanish after the English is spoken, and then it will speak the Spanish announcement with the proper Spanish accent. For our announcement, we are not going to have any translation, so I'm going to uncheck this and hit the OK button. In this mode, if we make a mistake in our text, we can simply tap on the text and it'll bring back up the edit screen. We are OK with our text, so we're going to tap the paper airplane again. Now we're going to send our announcement directly, so I'm going to tap the play button on the far right, and our announcement will be synthesized into voice and played over the speakers immediately. Let's jump ahead and assume that we have another announcement that we would like to schedule later in the text-to-speech. We do this by tapping the Schedule button right next to the Play button, and we could set up the same type of scheduling as we saw before. For more information on scheduling, please see the scheduling part of this video. Lastly, we're going to demonstrate what would happen if we make a mistake. If we make a mistake, we could always tap the Trash button in the middle of the buttons on the bottom. As soon as we tap the Trash button, our announcement disappears and it is not sent to the PA system. So now, you could easily cancel an announcement that is currently being played by going to the Cancel screen. So, in this example, we will play this announcement, and we could see that the announcement is sent, and we'll go to these little bars right here. We could see that the announcement is currently playing on our PA system. To stop this announcement from playing, we could simply hit the Stop button on this announcement. Then the announcement will be canceled from the PA system from playing. This is also a great safety feature to have in case of an issue. To view all schedules and announcements made on the PA system, tap on the little Schedules button on the bottom. Here under the All option, we can see all of the announcements that have been made on the PA system. This also includes announcements that have been sent to subscribers but have not been played on the PA system. Here in this screen, you can see all announcements made on your PA system or that have been sent to subscribers and not played on the PA system. On the top, you could see the time of the announcement and the date of the announcement. Then you could see under that who made the announcement. You could see how long the announcement was, and you could even preview the announcement by tapping the play button on the left-hand side. Here you could hear the announcement on your device. If you desire to replay this announcement on your PA system, simply tap on the little circle on the right-hand side. After a short confirmation, we could say yes, and our announcement will be replayed on our PA system. To see all of our schedules, we will go to the Scheduling option. Here we could see all schedules that have been made for this PA system. We could see them by date, and we could see them by time, and we could select other dates where the announcements have been made. We could also then go and listen to the announcements for that date. To delete a schedule, it is as simple as swiping from right to left and then tapping delete on that announcement. Lastly, let's look at the settings feature. If you tap the bottom right hand corner of your screen with the little gears, you can now see the settings options for the SonarCloud app. If you would like to get in touch with us immediately, you could tap the Get Help Now feature, and you could start a new conversation with us. You could type out your problem, and we will respond to you as soon as we can. In your app, you will get notifications about our responses. You can see previous conversations with us by tapping on the Conversations button. Our device also supports app locking features. This will prevent people from picking up your phone or device and immediately accessing our app. To set this up, tap on the App Locking button and swipe on Enable App Locking. It will ask us to set a pattern first, so we will tap Yes. Now we're going to draw an unlock pattern. We will draw a simple one for this example. Then we will tap Continue. We will confirm that unlock pattern. We will draw our simple pattern and then type Confirm. Now our app will be locked once we come out and go back into it. When you come out of the app and come back into the app, you will see the app locking screen. To unlock the app, you will just tap anywhere on the screen and it'll ask for your pattern. Once you put in your pattern, the app will be unlocked. This is an excellent feature to ensure that no one unauthorized makes announcements to your PA system. In the app locking screen, you're also able to use the Touch ID on your iOS phone. To enable that, simply tick on the Enable Touch ID, and you will be able to, instead of using a lock pattern, be able to use your fingerprint to unlock the app. The last option that you see here is push-to-talk countdown seconds. Earlier in the video, we demonstrated how there's a 3-second delay when using push-to-talk to send. Here you could set that delay as low or as high as you would like. We could enter in this section any number between 3 and infinity for the countdown seconds. Entering 0 here will have your announcement be sent immediately. Entering anything longer will initiate a number of second countdown before the announcement is sent. Lastly, you could tap on Sign Out to log out of your user.